morning. So we're here at Tinted Garage and going to use a Odor X Seek and Destroy door fresh blast from I think this is from Turtle Wax, yeah, company that provides good quality of detailing products. So all you have to do is just turn on the air condition into a full. Then we're going to place this somewhere in between. And then we're going to close the door, the windows. Here. This is a full blast dual valve spray or fogger, air and fabric refreshener. Eliminates smokes and malodor. It's somewhat close to those who are defogging their cars, but this is very portable.